Today I'm going to show you how to make a random in-game gift system. Let's get started. First thing we're going to do is just create our part. Then we're going to insert into our part a click detector. And we'll also insert a script. I'm going to change the name of the part to gift. Then we're going to type the following. Local gift equals script.parent. Local replicated storage equals game colon get service replicated storage. Local gift folder equals replicated storage colon find first child gift table tools gift.clickDetector.mouseClick colon connect function player. Local gift tools equals gift folder colon get children. Local random gift equals gift tools math.random one number gift tools. Local gift clone equals random gift colon clone. Gift clone dot parent equals player dot backpack gift colon destroy. Next, we'll put the gift into our replicated storage, and then we'll create another part, and I'm just going to put this in the sky because that's where I want my gifts to spawn. We're going to change the name of this part to gift spawn part. We'll put that back in replicated storage, and then we're going to insert our random gifts. I made my gifts a folder. The name of this folder is giftable tools, and then you'll just have all the tools or things in there that you want to randomly give people. Next, we'll go ahead and insert a script into our server script service, and then we'll type the following. Local replicated storage equals game colon get service replicated storage. Local gift equals replicated storage colon find first child gift. Local gift spawn part equals replicated storage colon find first child gift spawn part. Local gift spawn part posts equals gift spawn part dot position. Local spawned gift folder equals instance dot new folder. Spawned gift folder dot parent equals game dot workspace. Spawned gift folder dot name equals spawned gifts. Local time between gift spawns equals 1. Local spawn radius equals 50. Local max gifts equals 10. While true do, wait time between gift spawns. Local pos x equals math.random gift spawn part pos.x minus spawn radius gift spawn part pos.x plus spawn radius. Local pos z equals math.random gift spawn part pos.z minus spawn radius gift spawn part pos.z plus spawn radius. Local gift colors equals brackets bright blue, mid gray, artichoke, dusty rose. Local gift clone equals gift colon clone. Gift clone dot brick color equals brick color dot new. Gift colors bracket math dot random 1 number gift colors. Gift clone dot position equals vector 3 dot new. Pos x gift spawn part pos dot y. Pos z gift clone dot parent equals game dot workspace dot spawned gifts. Local total spawned gifts equals number game dot workspace dot spawned gifts colon get children. If total spawned gifts equals max gifts, then spawned gift folder colon find first child gift colon destroy. We are all done. We can go ahead and hop on in. And as you'll see, the gifts will start falling from the sky. Then we can pick them up and they'll randomly give you a gift. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to like, share, and subscribe.